Earning money is the result of exchanging your time and skills for a paycheck or other form of compensation. This can include working a traditional job, freelancing, or running a small business. Making money is the process of generating income without actively trading your time for money. This can involve investing, creating products or services that you can sell passively, or coming up with new ideas that you can license to others.
Five ways to make money. 1. Affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting a company's products or services. The affiliate, often a blogger, influencer, or website owner, partners with a merchant to promote their offerings. They do this by placing unique affiliate links on their platforms, directing traffic to the merchant's website. When a customer makes a purchase through the affiliate link, the affiliate earns a commission. Affiliate marketing offers several advantages for both merchants and affiliates. Merchants benefit from expanded reach and increased sales, while affiliates earn commissions without the hassle of product development or inventory management. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choosing relevant products or services that align with your audience's interests is crucial. Additionally, creating engaging content that promotes the product seamlessly is essential for driving conversions. Affiliate marketing has become a popular and effective marketing strategy, offering a mutually beneficial relationship between merchants and affiliates.
2. Blogging.
In the realm of online expression, blogging stands as a vibrant avenue for sharing thoughts, experiences, and expertise. It's a digital canvas where individuals and organizations alike can paint their unique narratives, fostering connections and imparting knowledge. Whether it's a personal blog chronicling life's adventures or a corporate blog disseminating industry insights, blogging empowers voices to reach a global audience. Through engaging storytelling and captivating content, bloggers captivate readers, fostering communities around shared interests. From tech-savvy individuals to passionate hobbyists, blogging welcomes a diverse spectrum of voices, each contributing to the rich tapestry of online discourse. It's a democratized platform where anyone can become a publisher, sharing their perspectives and igniting conversations. Blogging is not just about disseminating information, it's about fostering engagement, sparking discussions, and building relationships. It's a dynamic medium that bridges gaps and cultivates a sense of belonging in the vast digital landscape.
3. Drop shipping.
Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the seller never has to handle the product directly. Dropshipping is a popular business model because it's easy to start and requires little upfront investment. However, it can be challenging to find reliable suppliers and maintain profit margins. Here's a brief overview of the dropshipping process. 1. Customer places an order on the seller's website. 2. Seller sends the order details to the supplier. 3. Supplier ships the product directly to the customer. 4. Seller pays the supplier for the product. 5. Customer receives the product.
4. Start YouTube channel.
Embark on your YouTube journey with these concise steps. 1. Choose a niche. Identify your area of expertise or passion to establish a focused channel. 2. Create a channel. Sign into your Google account and navigate to YouTube to create your channel. 3. Channel branding. Craft a catchy name, design an eye-catching banner, and add a compelling description. 4. Plan engaging content. Develop video ideas that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. 5. Film and edit videos. Utilize appropriate equipment and editing software to produce high-quality videos. 6. Optimize videos. Incorporate relevant keywords, captivating titles, and engaging descriptions. 7. Consistent uploads. Establish a regular upload schedule to maintain audience engagement. 8. Promote your channel. Utilize social media platforms and online communities to spread the word. 9. Engage with viewer. Respond to comments, address feedback, and foster a sense of community. 10. Analyze and adapt. Track channel analytics to identify areas for improvement and adapt accordingly.
5. Freelance.
Freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals work independently for multiple clients rather than being employed by a single company. Freelancers offer their services on a per-project or per-task basis, typically in specialized fields like writing, design, programming, or marketing. They manage their own schedules, set their own rates, and are responsible for their own taxes and benefits. Freelancing offers flexibility, autonomy, and the potential for higher earnings, but it also requires self-discipline, strong marketing skills, and the ability to handle financial uncertainties.